A diagnostic test is a test that's going to be administered to anyone identified during a screening test, so they get more information to diagnose a problem and plan for interventions. What we find that diagnostic tests take a lot of time, and so we want to make sure that we're not giving them to everyone. Diagnostic tests are usually administered and evaluated by professionals trained in a specific area, and they also may include medical exams, teacher and parent observations, and other things that are recorded in an authentic context. Some of the professionals included in diagnostic testing are doctors, school psychologists, speech therapists, special educators, and reading specialists. To piggyback on what I was sharing with our screening, when my daughter was screened with that little frog test, they found this click in her hip and that her legs were not the exact same length as they were at her 6-month checkup. And so they sent me the very next day to Hershey Medical Center, and they did x-rays and they did MRIs and they did all these scary things on my little girl and found that she had a displaced hip. Her hip was not in its socket and it was not growing on the right side. So this diagnosis then led to the remedial plan, which included surgery for her and a body cast for 12 weeks. And this was a major undertaking for a little person and for her family. But what's really cool is she's now 6 years old and she visits the pediatric, I can't even think what she's called. She studies their bones. Anyway, orthopedic surgeon, thank you. The pediatric orthopedic surgeon. At this point, she only goes every 3 years, and she has completely normal development and normal use of her hip after this was diagnosed. But we think about these screening tools, and we see the importance of screening early, because whether it be a physical disability or it be a vision problem or it be a hearing problem or it be an academic learning disability, the earlier we catch it, the more we can plan for it and fix it or remediate it. And we see that is really powerful, the powerful reason behind using screening and diagnostic tests with children.